Hi, I'm Bertrand the Tech Man, coming back at you with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you all the things that you will need in your go bag. Let's check it out. Start with the bag. Now, you want to make sure that it's lightweight, that it's waterproof, and that it has plenty of pouches and pockets for you to put stuff into. You want to make sure that your straps are good and sturdy, and it's quite durable, that you can, like I say, transport it around safely and with ease. We're going to start with a flashlight. You want a flashlight with some batteries in case you need to be able to see in the dark. You also want a notepad that you can use to write down or take notes. You're going to need an emergency poncho in case the weather is bad or if it's raining. You're going to want to have a blanket in case it's cold. You're going to want to have a pouch with various things in it that you'll need. For example, body cleansers, masks, some type of lotion. And then you'll have all that in the pouch. You're going to want to have some wet wipes, antibacterial wet wipes. We live in a COVID situation right now, a COVID world, so you want to make sure that you have that. Various wipes to wash and clean yourself. These things are disposable. You're going to want to have some things that you need for hygiene. For men, you'll need shaving cream, deodorant, a towel, some toothpaste, a toothbrush, even some soap in here. So this is all the things that you can use for hygiene. Then you're going to want to have some type of rope, just in case you need to tie something up or tie something off. Next thing you're going to want to have is a first aid kit. And inside this first aid kit, you'll have all the various things that you'll need, like alcohol, prep pads, some type of antibiotic ointment, some gauze, some gloves, some more padding, wipes. And then you're going to want some type of tissue in case you have a cold or you get a cold or something like that. The next thing you're going to want is you're going to want to make sure you have at least 3 days worth of food and water. Next thing you're going to want to get some food, enough protein to last you for 3 days. A good meal should be enough. And you can get various things. You want to make sure that they can be easily opened. You want to make sure that, of course, they're non-perishable items that will last in that bag for a while. Tuna is always good. The next thing you want to do is you're going to want to make sure that you have documents and medication. For example, regular things such as Tylenol or any type of medication that you would have. You're going to want to make sure that your passport, checkbook, and all that is in there, and any important information that you're going to need, documents, letters, deeds, or what have you. Throw that in there. And then you're going to want to make sure that you have a battery pack, something where you can recharge your phone. Make sure that this is charged up. This is the Anchor 20,000 battery pack. and it allows me to charge different electronic devices more than once. And then you're going to want to make sure you have the all-important toilet paper. A couple rolls should do it. And you're going to want to make sure that you have some cash and your credit cards, your DPA, and all of that information as well. Throw that in there. And then finally, you're going to want to have one of these. Now I have this reviewed in another video, but basically this has 37 items in it that you can use, from instructions, on first aid, medical stuff to start fires, all kinds of stuff that you'll need in an emergency situation. And again, this has 37 pieces to it. So you take all that, and there you go. Now you have yourself a do-it-yourself go bag, ready to go, prepared for any type of situation. You got enough food and water to last you for 72 hours. You also have your important documents and everything that you would need until you can get whatever help you need. So this has been a quick video showing you what you will need in your go bag. If you found this video valuable, or if you found value in this information, please hit that like button, subscribe, share, and comment. I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in my next video.
Be strong.